9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Sir, I'm a bit nervous about being here today. Still not real sure what I'm going to say. So bear with me please if I take up too much of your time. See, in this box is a ring for your...
Tayo po ngayon ay nandito para saksihan, pagtibay sa pamagitan ng dalawang pusong nagmamahalan at nag-iibigan sa katauhan ni Jobin at Mary Rose.
Can marry your daughter and make her my wife. I want her to be the only girl that I love for the rest of my life, and give her the best of me till the day that I die. I'm gonna marry your princess and make her
Love,
my queen.
nagsimula tayo sa kamusta manang, Merry Christmas manang, hanggang sa gusto kita manang, miss na kita manang. Sino mag-aakala na yung taong dinadaan-daanan ko lang dati at nagpapakilig kay bunso namin ay kaharap ko na ngayon, sa harap ng Panginoon, sa harap ng ating mga magulang, kapatid, at sa lahat ng nandito ngayon. Ikaw ay magiging kabiyak ko na sa habang buhay.
Love, salamat dahil dumating ka sa panahong kailangan ko lang karamay. Salamat dahil hindi ko pinilit yung panahon na hanapin ka, kundi ko sa binigay ng Panginoon sa akin na makasama ka at mamahalin ng lubusan.
Gonna marry a princess, make her my queen. She'll be the most beautiful bride that I've ever seen. I can't wait to smile as she walks down the aisle on the arm of her father, on the day that I marry your daughter.
Alam mo, sa totoo lang, napakaswerte ko kasi dumating ka sa buhay ko. At sa lahat ng mga lalaking dumaan sa buhay ko, ikaw lang yung tanging nakapasa sa nanay ko. Sa pa-exam ni Mother, kumbaga, you got an excellent. Parang ginayuma mo yata yung pamilya namin. As in, no comment silang lahat sa'yo.
Ito yung gift mo, Santo. And sa best man ko naman, Adonis. And then, ikaw, Rain. And
Your love was like drugs, and I had suitcases full of it. I never thought the day would come when I would burn through it all. Give you a call, beg for some more. Yeah. Your love was like drugs.
Ate Darren! Ate Rosalie!
For one more try, maybe that's impossible, cause I know it's too late for fixing. Lying face down in addiction. Your love was like drugs, and I had suitcases full of it. I never thought the day would come when I would burn through it all. Give you a call, and beg for some more. Your love was like drugs, and I had suitcases full of it. I never thought the day would come when I would burn through it all. Give you a call, and beg for some more.
Your love is like dope, got me twisted like rope. Let's elope. If she left a note, it was murder that she wrote. I'm addicted to you, look what addicted to you. When I talk about your love, it like I'm snitching on you. I'm hallucinating, you got me seeing things. I see you in my future, baby. You're intoxicating, got me high as hell. You my cartel, baby, I'm your clientele, and you supply well.
Love was like drugs, and I had suitcases full of it. Never thought the day would come when I would burn through it all. Give you a call and beg for some more. Your love is like drugs, and I had suitcases full of it. Never thought the day would come when I would burn through it all. Give you a call and beg for some more. Your love is like drugs, and I had suitcases full of it.
Alam ko na matagal mo rin hinihintay ang panahong ito na ako ang makakasama mo. Salamat sa Panginoon dahil hindi mo sinubuhan. Love, finally ito na ang nakatakdang panahon na dating pangarap lang natin ay matutupad na sa ngalan ng Panginoon. Salamat at pinigkis tayo upang mapagtibay ang ating pagmamahalan.
You should see the way the stars illuminate your stunning silhouette. You're glowing in the dark. I had to count to 10 and take a breath. You think that you don't have beauty in abundance, but you do. And that's the truth. You're frozen in motion, a perfect picture in a frame. Some visions don't ever fade. I don't need a camera to capture this moment. I'll remember how you look tonight for all my life. When everything is black.
Salamat sa gabay ng Panginoon na ikaw at ako ang nagpapatunay na hindi hadlang ang agwat ng ating edad. Nawa, bigyan ako ng Panginoon ng malawak na pangunawa at mahabang pasensya na patuloy na maging tapat at mabuting asawa mo. Salamat, love. Mahal na mahal kita.
A photo could not show the way my heart is beating, babe. Some visions don't ever fade. I don't need a camera to capture this moment. I'll remember how you look tonight for all my life. When everything is black and white, your colors exploding. There's something in the way you shine. Well, I don't need a camera when you're in my eyes. And then a flash is gone, but I'll keep holding on to every little detail in the fabric of the night. Never letting go of it inside.
Salamat kasi eto, dito na tayo magkasama at sana forever na. And I will love you today, tomorrow, and every day. I love you, mahal na mahal.
When everything is black and white, your colors exploding. There's something in the way you shine. I don't need a camera when you're in my eyes.
Alright! Palakpakan na lang po natin ang isip babong! Si Bella! And sabay-sabay po natin sabihin, mabuhay ang bagong kasal! 1, 2, 3, go! Mabuhay ang bagong kasal! Thank you so much po!
Kurang sakit ng tao.